Windsor, founded between 7th and 8th century, is a medieval town located at only 35 kilometers west of London in England. Better known for the recent royal wedding, this town holds lots of magic and history, ready to trap whoever walks its streets. From ancient stone churches and graveyards to luxury vintage cars, one can find numerous treasures while walking in this colorful and vibrant town, full of life and welcoming people. For visitors and locals, there are plenty of markets and shops where you can find clothing, books, souvenirs, food, and for the collectors, a wide variety of antique and vintage items worthy of royalty itself. The most important landmark of Windsor has to be the Windsor Castle. Built in the 11th century, is the biggest castle in England and one of the biggest and oldest castles in the world. This is the castle where the royal wedding between Prince Harry and Meghan Markle took place in 2018, and due to this event, this town's tourism has increased exponentially. But Windsor's beauty goes far beyond the castle walls. Getting lost in its streets is the best you can do. You will find beautiful monuments, universities, medieval architecture, vibrant color, and you might end up walking by the River Thames, where its current flows all the way from the City of London. Walking by the bank, you will enjoy beautiful views. You can feed the swans, have a picnic, take a boat ride, or just sit and relax. The city of Windsor has a unique enchantment that should not be missed by anyone who visits England.